Hello, hello, here.
Yes, I did.
Promote to WL art.
Yes, I agree.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Read about our cycle, bus, or car.
I have class.
What happens next?
We'll have 7 o'clock in the morning.
Then let's prepare for tomorrow morning.
Yes, are you ready to go?
Yes,
Yes, I
yes, I'm
agree.
ready.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
We get hurt on the main road to wait for the bus.
Yes, let wet hair.
The bus is arrived. Let's get in.
I wonder what team we will arrive in Wisata Bahari Lamongan.
I think it's lower 10 past 8.
We'll be there in there and a half hours.
Yes, we take and half horse from here to there.
What are you going to buy later?
Let's buy food and iced tea.
What are what are we going to try at Wisata Bahari Lamongan later?
We play haunted house or outer reader.
Let's go buy ticket.
Yes, come in.
Let's fit a place to next to the park.
Come on.
Orang itu three.
What do you want to buy?
Yes, don't eat too much.
You want to go home now?
Yes, don't study and next.
Yes, let's then go home.
You think the orang eye is delicious?
I think the orang is it not wet enough.
I don't think it's with either. Okay, from the dialogue, we can express an example of asking opinion. 1. What do you think about BBL? 2. Do you think we'll in Wisata Bahari Malang? I think enough about asking and giving opinion. Thank you for watching. The less I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.